Welcome everybody. In English grammar, the clause is a very important aspect. Today we will learn about the clause. This is very simple. So let's start. We will learn about clause. Just remember one thing. Subject plus verb is equal to clause. Remember this thing. Subject plus verb is equal to clause. If you remember this thing, you will understand clause very easily. Just let me write a sentence. As he is happy, he is healthy. Just see, subject plus verb. So in this sentence you can see there are two parts. As he is happy, he is healthy. Now look at this thing, subject plus verb. See, in the first part we have subject he and is the finite verb. So subject and finite verb. So this part is a clause. As he is happy is a clause. And if you look at the second part, he is healthy. Here also you will find he is the subject and is the finite verb. So this part is also a clause. So in this sentence we have found two clauses. Just remember this simple thing, subject plus verb is equal to clause. The number of finite verb is the number of clause. So from here we understand that a clause is a group of words. Group of words means more than one word. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a finite verb. Or you can say a clause is a group of words that has a subject and predicate. This part is called predicate. Or if you want to keep it simple, you can simply say a clause is a group of words that has a subject and a finite verb. Now look at the sentence once more. This part, he is healthy. If you take this clause separately, he is healthy, it can stand alone. It can stand alone and makes a complete sense. It is independent. We call it principal clause. Principal clause. Why is it principal clause? Because this clause can stand alone and makes a complete sense. But this part, as he is happy, this part cannot make a complete sense. It is dependent on principal clause to make the sense complete. We call it dependent clause. Dependent clause. So principal clause, that is a clause which is independent and makes the sense complete. This is principal clause. But see here, dependent clause cannot make a complete sense. It is dependent on the principal clause. So this is dependent clause. Now take one more sentence. See here, I saw the boy who was injured. See, in this sentence also you will find two parts. I saw the boy and who was injured. But see, the first part, I saw the boy. This part or rather this clause can stand alone and makes a complete sense. So this is principal clause, and this part, who was injured. who was injured cannot make complete sense. It is dependent on the principal clause. So this is dependent clause. Here you will also find in the principal clause I is the subject and so is the finite verb, and in this part also you will find who is the subject and was is the finite verb. Okay, to sum it up, let me tell you once more. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a finite verb, and basically a clause is of two kinds, principal clause and dependent clause. Remember, principal clause has other names also, like independent clause or main clause. So principal clause, independent clause or main clause are same. Similarly, dependent clause may also be called subordinate clause. Dependent clause or subordinate clause are same. I hope you get a clear picture of the clause. Thanks for watching.